Hello there and welcome to Secody TV. So on today's episode, I, Manasseh, will be showing you how to make withdrawals when your account qualifies for a stage. So like we usually do, today we are going to be logging in first. So we have an account that just emerged and we are going to be using it to do this demonstration. So the username is Isaac101 and I'm keying in his password. So here we are. So now before Isaac will get this congratulatory message, he must have received an email from Secody. Okay, so like we can see here, congratulations, his full name Musa Balaka Isaac. This is it is payday rather. You are due for payment and this wizard will guide you through the process of submitting and processing your payments. Click next to start the process. So we'll click next and see where this leads us. So we have two options here. There's the cash and product option and there is the monetization option. So we'll take them one after the other. So let's go with the first one, cash and product. So here we are. It will give us a summary, cash and product. The product is 300 watts DC solar generator and this is the withdrawal amount. So all you need to do is click yes if you want to take this option. If you don't want to, you click no and go back. So we've taken the no option. Our message has disappeared. So how do we get that wizard? We come back to my withdrawals. You can see here, this is my withdrawal menu. Just click on it, you will see that message again. So once you click, it will bring you here. You click make new request. Now mind you, if your account is not yet qualified, if you click that, it won't bring you to this congratulatory message. So let's take the second option by clicking next again, and this time around we are going to be taking monetization. So we select monetization. So this is also the summary for monetization. So the person is choosing to monetize this product that we are seeing here, and the product amount is $100 and this is the withdrawal amount. The withdrawal amount is what? 76. So if Mr. Isaac is sure, all you need to do is just click yes. If not, you click no. So far so good. This is how to initiate withdrawals once you qualify. Of course, you will get an email notification from Secody, and also when you log into your account, you will get that congratulatory message. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll be dropping more and more videos as time permits. Thank you once again and have a very beautiful day.